front of me is INFINIX Hot 60i, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. First of all, you need to open Play Store and download all of your apps you want to set up as your new defaults. I want to change my browser, so I will go with Firefox. When your apps are ready, you can exit Play Store and go into Devices Settings. Then scroll to click on App Management. Click on Default Apps available here and tap on any of those sections you wanna manage. As I mentioned before, I want to change my browser, so I have to click on Browser app. Tap on Firefox to apply it, and go back. So when I do that, as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!